Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a fun and easy crochet project. These are very easy to make, so grab your crochet hooks and let's dive into this fun and stylish tutorial. Before we jump into the tutorial, we will look into the things needed. First, we will need yarn. I'm going to be using these two colors. Along with that, the 1.5mm crochet hook. And we need 2 hook ear wires, 2 of the jump rings, the yarn needle, the pair of scissors, and the flat nose pliers. I want to mention that I've included the links in the description box below to some of my favorite crochet supplies and tools. So be sure to check them out if you are interested in buying the correct material while supporting the channel. Now let's get started with our crochet earring project. Let's start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now work 6 single crochets into the magic ring. We will start, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet. Again insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 single crochets. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And then we will continue to the second round. There we need to work 2 single crochets into each one of the stitches around. So at the end you will have 12 single crochets. This is the first single crochet we are going to go into. 1 and 2. Again work 2 single crochets into the next stitch. 1 and 2. Again work 2 single crochets into the third stitch here. 1 and 2. Again 2 single crochets into the fourth stitch. 1 and 2. Again 2 single crochets into the fifth stitch here. 1 and 2. Now we will work 2 single crochets into the last stitch as well. 1 and 2. Now we have 12 stitches around, and then I'm gonna leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off from here. And then I'm gonna cut the loose end of the magic ring, and we will see how to hide the tail of the other end. Now insert the yarn needle into the first single crochet of the round and then thread the yarn needle, and we will pull it through the stitch. Like this, and then go into the last single crochet of the round here, and with that we are going to go into few more stitches to hide the tail as well. like this, and then thread the yarn needle and we will pull it from the other side. And then we can cut the excess piece of yarn like this. Now we have completed the center part of the flower, and then we are going to join the yellow color yarn to complete the petals of the flower. Start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your pointer finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot ready. This is the slip knot, and then I'm gonna go into a stitch at the outline of the center part and pull the loop of the new color through the stitch like this, and then we will start the second round. Chain 10, yarn over, pull through the loop. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. Like that we will continue until we get 10 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then we will go into the next stitch and work a slip stitch there into this stitch. So insert the hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and then pull through the loop. Now we have completed our first petal. Again chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then work a slip stitch into the very next stitch here. Now we have completed 2 petals. Again chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again work a slip stitch to complete the petal. Like that we are going to continue working all the petals around. Now I'm at the end of the round. Now work a slip stitch into the very last stitch here, and again chain 10, and work a slip stitch into the starting point of the round also. With that we have completed the round and we have 12 petals around now. Now we are going to work an outline into the center part of the flower by working slip stitches around into each one of the stitches. So insert the hook into the first stitch here, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Again insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Again insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Like that we are going to continue working slip stitches all around. With that we have completed our flower, and then leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. Now I'm gonna use the yarn needle to hide the loose ends of the project. So insert the needle into few stitches like this and then thread the yarn needle, pull it from the other side, and we will cut the excess piece of yarn by using a pair of scissors, and then just do the same thing into the other loose end as well. Now I have completed the crochet part of the earrings. Obviously we need 2 of these pieces to complete it. Here I have completed both the flowers, and then we will see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earring. First of all, I'm gonna take the jump ring, open it up using the pliers, and then insert into any petal like so, and then we will insert the hook ear wire also into the jump ring and secure that with the pliers like this. Just like that we will complete the other earring as well. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me today on this crochet adventure. I hope you enjoyed making these cute earrings as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crafting tutorials. Until next time, happy crocheting!